Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a menu that takes you to a new page on your Wix.com website. So first off, start from the dashboard here and then click on this button, Edit Site. On Edit Site, it'll take you onto here. This is called the Wix Website Editor. If you want to make a menu that can take you to a new site on your Wix.com website, go to here, Add Elements. On Add Elements, go to here, Menu and Anchor. And there's a lot of menu you can pick from. All of these will take you to a new site. So I'm going to pick this one, Home. So something like this. So if you want this menu to take you to a new site, you'll need to go to here, Manage Menu. On Manage Menu, go to Site Menu. On Site Menu, click on Add a Menu Item, and then click on Link. So for example, if I want to redirect them to youtube.com, which is another site, it'll be a new window. I'm just going to press, this is the URL, done. And there'll be here, this is called YouTube, for example. Click on done. I'm going to exit out. And as you can see, there is a new part that says YouTube. If I press preview and I click on that menu item, YouTube, it'll take me to YouTube.